Morning guys, in front of me is REALME Note 50 and let me show you how to change keyboard language. First, open new message or any other area where you've got access to your keypad. So here it is. Here you've got it. Now tap on settings icon, select languages, tap on add keyboard, and now you can either scroll till you find the preferred language, or you can provide it here. And now tap on done. Now you can either stay with both languages or remove unnecessary language. To remove, just mark edit icon, select the preferred language, the one that you want to remove obviously, and then tap on pin to confirm, but let me stay with both. And now you will be able to notice that you've got the previous language, and now once you click on this word icon, which is just marked, you will be able to switch to this new language. Obviously, once you set one language only, this icon is not here, and you can use just one language here. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.